Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how the Monzo card works. The Monzo card is a digital banking card that allows users to manage their finances effectively. To start using the Monzo card, you first need to download the Monzo app and sign up for an account. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Once you have signed up, you will receive a Monzo card in the mail. The card is a MasterCard debit card that can be used to make purchases online and in-store. The Monzo card is linked to your Monzo account, and all transactions are updated in real time in the app. When you make a purchase with your Monzo card, the transaction is processed like any other debit card transaction. The merchant will request authorization for the transaction, and if you have sufficient funds in your account, the transaction will be approved. You will then receive a notification on your phone with the details of the transaction, including the amount and the merchant name. One of the key features of the Monzo card is its ability to track your spending in real time. The app categorizes your transactions into different categories, such as food, transport, and entertainment, making it easy to see where your money is going. You can also set budgets for each category, and the app will alert you if you go over budget. The Monzo card also offers a range of security features, including instant freeze, which allows you to freeze your card if it is lost or stolen. You can also use the app to report your card as lost or stolen and order a replacement card. In addition to the security features, the Monzo card also offers a range of rewards and benefits, including cashback and exclusive offers. You can also use the app to send and receive money, and to pay bills and invoices. To get the most out of your Monzo card, it is essential to keep your app and account up to date. Make sure to regularly check your account balance and transaction history, and to report any suspicious activity to Monzo's customer support team. In conclusion, the Monzo card is a powerful tool for managing your finances. By following these steps and using the app effectively, you can take control of your spending, stay on top of your finances, and make the most of the rewards and benefits offered by the Monzo card.